Alright, I think it says I have 44% battery left on the GoPro. If I can see that right. It's not too bad. Part of me wishes this was like a live stream. Just ask you guys where you think I should go. And you just tell me in the chat right away, but obviously that's not the case. I don't want to go this way, but I don't know if they have the road finished yet. I guess I'm gonna find out. They better. It's been like 2 months since I've been on here last. Maybe I'll do another little trip to the lake since it's that time of year. It's fall. It looks really nice. But I doubt there's anybody there. Or we could go see a hobby. Not yet. Just kidding. She's getting a workout in. Good for her. Tempted to take a clip for Instagram while I do this, but I'm not going to. Guys probably wondering what I'm doing. Ah, shit. Alright. Well, never mind. It looks like you can just go around over there, but that is unfortunate. I guess they probably close it for the winter since somebody's gonna. What if people want to ice fish? That's lame. Alright, change your plans. Guess I can look for Halloween decorations or something. Those work too. Is he gonna pull out? Saw him in time. I'd rather not make a getting pulled over video again. I mean, usually in terms of views, those are one of the ones that do really good. There it is, the like dolphin skeleton. But yeah, in terms of views, getting pulled over usually does pretty well. In terms of bank account and repercussions, doesn't do so well. I only had one getting pulled over video, and that was when I had like 30 or 40 subscribers. So it's been a long time. And that's on my R3. I'm just gonna enjoy being on a tiny vehicle. Another Harley guy that did the wave. It's 2 for 2 today. I'm impressed. See, Harley guys like that, I most likely don't have a problem with. Obviously, I don't know them as a person or anything, but like, they are probably pretty cool, considering they're doing the wave at least. The other ones, they're assholes that just, oh, you're on a sport bike, I'm not gonna do it. Like, or the people, so I've had multiple comments about it on YouTube, which I'm sure the people saying that probably don't even ride, because they're like, oh, you need validation from other bikes. No, I don't. No, it's a matter of like brotherhood and respect. It's not validation. So for you to be calling it that, you probably don't even ride anyways, so you have no idea what you're talking about. But if you do ride and you still refer to it as validation from others and think that it's stupid, then you probably should sell your bike. Just saying, because that's not what it is. And you're a stuck-up douchebag. So maybe hop off the bike and quit ruining the community. is. Look at that. You see her look down and smile? Lady's trying to flirt. Ma'am, calm down. It's like 1 p.m. It's not even 1 p.m. Need to chill. She's shy. Sorry, I'm gonna shut up now. Mike's getting hot because we keep getting stuck here. I'm just saying, you've got an entire like car length in between you two, so you could probably move up at least a little bit. She's not in the intersection. I mean, I know that's her fault, but you could prevent it. Watch out, dude. I think I'm gonna go home and chill for a little bit. Charge up the GoPro again because it's been basically kind of hot. So I'm gonna give it a break because I plan on riding again later anyways. At least to get more shot and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna think I can vlog out of it, but I do plan on riding again later. It's awesome. So I'm gonna give the bike and the GoPro a little break. Be back out later. I've been spending a lot of time trying to get as much content as possible for you guys. That way I can keep the same upload schedule. The hardest part is getting shorts for every single day throughout all of winter.